Older man. Massage this spot for 1 minute to restore potency. Gentlemen. As the years pass, your body whispers signs before it ever shouts. For many men, one of the earliest whispers is a quiet decline in vitality, strength, and bedroom confidence. But what if I told you that your body also holds a powerful secret, a pressure point, hidden in plain sight, that when massaged for just 1 minute a day, can help awaken blood flow, restore masculine energy, and reignite the spark you thought was gone? This isn't about magic pills, risky surgeries, or quick fixes. This is about using the body's own natural intelligence, ancient techniques backed by modern understanding. There's a specific spot, located between the navel and the pubic bone, often called the lower dantian in traditional health practices. This area plays a critical role in circulation, hormone balance, and pelvic vitality. Over time, stress, poor posture, inactivity, and age can block the energy and blood flow through this region, leading to fatigue, low drive, and weak performance. But here's the good news. With just 60 seconds of intentional massage each day, you can help retrain your circulation, improve oxygen delivery, and give your lower body the stimulation it's been silently craving. Imagine this. Every stroke and circular movement is like turning the ignition key of your inner engine. You're not forcing anything, you're simply reminding your body of what it's capable of. This practice encourages stronger blood flow, supports the prostate, and boosts your natural testosterone response without chemicals. Here's how to do it. Stand or sit upright with a straight spine. Warm your hands by rubbing them together until they feel hot. Place 3 fingers just below your navel. Begin to massage in gentle circular motions, gradually increasing pressure but staying comfortable. Do this for 1 full minute, breathing deeply the entire time. The key is consistency. Just as a muscle grows stronger with daily exercise, this area responds over time. When practiced daily, men often report more energy, improved firmness, and a deeper sense of control over their health. Too many men surrender their power to age. They wait for the right time or depend on external solutions. But real change begins when you decide to take ownership, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Flex biceps. Your body was designed to heal, circulate, and thrive. All it needs is a daily reminder from you. So here's your challenge. Starting tonight, take 1 minute to apply this technique. Make it a sacred ritual, a daily investment in your strength, your vitality, and your confidence. Because true power doesn't come from waiting, it comes from action. Start now. Your best years are not behind you, they're just beginning. Gentlemen, if you started applying the 1 minute massage technique from part 1, then you've already taken the first powerful step toward reclaiming your strength and vitality. But today, we go deeper. Because when it comes to restoring male potency, consistency is just the beginning. Precision and technique turn this simple routine into a life-changing ritual. Most men underestimate how much tension their lower abdomen and pelvic region hold. Stress, long hours sitting, poor circulation, all of it builds a silent wall that blocks the natural flow of energy and blood. This is why some men try the massage once or twice and give up too early. But here's the truth. Your body is like a locked door, and each massage session is a key turning the lock. To level up this practice, let's refine the technique. Warm-up activation. Before touching the target area, place both palms on your lower abdomen and breathe slowly for 30 seconds. Feel your breath expand your belly. This simple step relaxes the muscles and prepares your body to receive the massage effectively. Deeper circular massage. Using 3 fingers, apply moderate pressure just below the navel. Instead of quick movements, slow the circles down. Think of massaging through the layers, not just the skin. This deeper stimulation helps break down stagnation and awakens the internal flow. Energy sweep technique. After 60 seconds of circles, place one hand above the pubic bone and sweep upward toward the navel in firm, smooth strokes about 10 times. This directs blood flow back toward the core, encouraging stronger, lasting circulation. Over time, these upgraded steps can enhance your pelvic strength, improve prostate function, and boost natural performance without dependency on artificial aids. Remember, gentlemen, the body responds to consistency and intention. Each session is like watering a seed. You may not see the sprout on day one, but beneath the surface, powerful changes are happening. Don't skip this. Don't treat this like a casual trick. Treat it as your daily ritual of masculine renewal. Every man has a choice: accept decline, or fight back with discipline, knowledge, and natural methods. The men who choose the second path are the ones who inspire others. They walk taller, live stronger, and age like warriors. Fire. So here's your mission for part 2. Commit to this refined technique every day for the next 7 days. Notice the subtle changes in energy, in firmness, in confidence. Let your results speak louder than excuses. Take control. Stay consistent. Your power is in your hands, literally.